One sunny morning in a small village, there lived a kind little boy named Leo. Every day, Leo walked to school with a smile on his face. On his way, he crossed a tiny wooden bridge over a bubbling stream. He loved stopping there to watch colorful fish swim beneath the water. One evening, after a heavy rainstorm, Leo hurried to the bridge. Crack! The bridge had broken. Now the children from the other side of the stream couldn't get to school. The grown-ups were busy repairing houses damaged by the storm, so no one had time to fix the little bridge. Leo felt sad. "I wish I could help," he whispered. The next morning, he carried a few small pieces of wood to the stream. An old carpenter walked by and smiled. "Building a bridge is hard work," he said. "I know," Leo replied, "but if I start, maybe others will help." The carpenter handed Leo a hammer. "I'll help." Soon, a baker arrived with ropes. A farmer brought strong wooden planks. The blacksmith offered sturdy nails. Children carried tools. Parents brought food and water for the workers. Everyone worked together. By sunset, a brand new bridge stretched across the stream, stronger than the old one. The next morning, children happily crossed the bridge, laughing all the way to school. The village leader thanked everyone. Then he looked at Leo. "You didn't build this bridge by yourself," he said. Leo smiled. "No," he replied. "I only built the first step." From that day on, whenever someone thought a problem was too big, the villagers remembered Leo's courage. Because sometimes all it takes is one person willing to begin. Moral of the story: great things happen when one brave heart takes the first step and others choose to follow.